The Irish elk, or Megaloceros giganteus, wasn't actually an elk, nor was it exclusively Irish. This icy giant, a true megacero reindeer, inhabited a vast territory stretching across Eurasia, from Ireland in the west all the way to Siberia in the east. So what was it? Imagine a deer, but on a much grander scale. We're talking about an animal that stood over 7 feet tall at the withers. That's taller than most doorways. And May could weigh in at well over 1,500 pounds, about the same as a small car. Think of a modern-day moose, but even larger, or perhaps a cross between a fallow deer and a reindeer, but amplified. These comparisons give you a sense of their sheer bulk. Their build was robust, with powerful legs built for traversing the grasslands and open woodlands they called home. They preferred environments that offered a mix of grazing opportunities and sheltered areas. Imagine a landscape garden with spruce trees and shrubs, perfect for these majestic creatures to thrive. The Irish part of the name comes from the fact that many well-preserved skeletons have been found in Irish peat bogs. These bogs offered ideal conditions for fossilization, giving us incredible insights into their anatomy and their lives. However, finding a majority of their skeletons in Ireland certainly doesn't mean they lived only there. We're talking about a time frame spanning the Pleistocene epoch, an epoch of dramatic climate shifts and the rise of many iconic megafauna. This puts them squarely in the Ice Age, a time of mammoths, saber-toothed cats, and woolly rhinoceroses. So they were part of a truly awesome and diverse animal community. This magnificent creature roamed the Earth during the Pleistocene, coexisting with early humans for thousands of years. Imagine a deer with antlers spanning over 10 feet wide, a true giant of the Ice Age. We're talking about the Irish elk, known as the giant deer, and believe me, the name doesn't lie. These magnificent creatures roamed Europe and Asia during the Pleistocene epoch, a time when megafauna, animals significantly larger than their modern counterparts, dominated the landscape, with woolly mammoths and saber-toothed cats and, well, giant deer. What exactly is megafauna, and why are they so important for understanding the Paleolithic era, the Old Stone Age? Megafauna weren't just impressive to their sheer size, and numbers had a profound impact on their environment. These sheep vegetation disposal seeds and even influence the very quiet. Studying them gives us crucial insights into the ecosystems that supported early humans, who often relied on these animals for food, clothing, and shelter. The Ice Age was a challenging time, and these megafauna were incredibly well adapted to survive in harsh glacial conditions. But then something happened. Around 11,000 years ago, towards the end of the last Ice Age, many of these giants, including the Irish elk, vanished from the face of the Earth. The reasons for their extinction are still debated by scientists today. Was it climate change, human hunting, or perhaps a combination of factors? The mystery surrounding their demise continues to fascinate and challenge researchers. Understanding what led to their extinction could also provide valuable lessons for the future, particularly as we grapple with our own modern extinction crisis. Join us as we delve into the world of the Irish elk, exploring its life, its environment, and the possible reasons for its ultimate disappearance. The Irish oak thrived in the open grasslands and sparse woodlands that characterized much of Eurasia during the Ice Age. Imagine a landscape very different from what we see today. Think about sweeping plains started with hardy shrubs and the occasional stand of coniferous trees. A colder, harsher world sculpted by glaciers. This was their home, stretching from Ireland in the west all the way east across Europe and Asia to Siberia. They weren't built for dense forests. Those massive antlers would have been a serious hindrance. Instead,
They needed wide open spaces where they could graze and move freely. So what exactly was on the menu for these giant elk? Well, their diet primarily consisted of tough grasses, sedges, and other ground-level vegetation. Think of them as Ice Age lawnmowers, constantly cropping the open grasslands. We also supplemented their diet with leaves and shrubs and trees when available, especially during the warmer months. Fossil evidence suggests they preferred nutrient-rich plants, which were crucial for antler growth, particularly for the males. Finding enough of this nutrient-dense food may have even been a challenge during the colder periods. No, the Irish elk wasn't alone in this ancient world. It shared its habitat with a whole host of other incredible creatures. Picture this: mammoths lumbering across the plains, their thick wool protecting them from the bitter cold. Woolly rhinoceroses with their imposing horns grazing nearby. Couch of reindeer and bison thundering across the landscape. Intercourse predators were also present. Cave lions, larger and more powerful than their modern relatives, stalked the open grasslands, posing a significant threat, particularly to the young and vulnerable. It was a tough environment, a constant struggle for survival. The Irish elk had to compete for resources, avoid predators, and adapt to the changing climate. Sleeping alongside other iconic megafauna, the Irish elk was an integral part of the Paleolithic ecosystem. Even though the Irish elk is extinct, its legacy lives on through ongoing scientific research and museum displays around the world.
Think about it. These incredible creatures with antlers spanning over 10 feet roamed the earth tens of thousands of years ago. Now, their millions are carefully preserved and studied in museums and universities, allowing us to piece together their lives and understand their place in the prehistoric world. From the Natural History Museum in Dublin to institutions across Europe and North America, you can often find impressive Irish elk skeletons on display. These towering exhibits sparked your imaginations of visitors of all ages, bringing the Ice Age to life right before their eyes. Transmission. But it's not just about looking at phones. Modern science is unlocking new secrets from these ancient remains. DNA analysis, for example, is helping us understand the Irish Alps' evolutionary relationships to other deer species, setting light on its genetic history and how it adapted to its environment. Scientists are also using advanced imaging techniques to study the internal structure of the antlers and bones, gaining insights into their growth patterns, diet, and overall health. Emma Watson, isotopes in the bones. We can even reconstruct their diet and the types of plants they consumed.
Transition. This kind of research is crucial because it provides a deeper understanding of the Irish elk biology and ecology. It allows us to test different theories about why they wanted to burn lessons that can be applied to conservation efforts today. Or the antlers, really too big to climate, play the most important role? These are the kinds of questions surprise modern research, and with new technologies and working all the time, we are continually refining our understanding. What we continue to learn about the Irish elk challenges old assumptions and reveals the complexities of life in the Ice Age. The story of the Irish elk serves as a powerful reminder of the fragility of ecosystems and the impact of environmental change on even the most impressive creatures. Did early humans Pompeii the Raquel? This is a question that scientists have been pondering for decades. Due to your size of these,
magnificent creatures certainly would have made them a tempting target for weak human hunters. Imagine the amount of meat 1 hour ago provide, and why we don't have to finish smoking. Evidence like spear points load directly in our adult skeletons.
we do have some suggestive clues. Transmission, consider cave paintings, provides invaluable insights into the animals that were important to early humans. Difficult to defeat the magic. We identify species in these two pictures. There are images that bear a striking resemblance to large deer, potentially suggesting an awareness and perhaps interaction with animals with your result.
Think about the Lascaux cave paintings in France, with their depictions of now extinct aurochs and other word game animals. Then there are the bone discoveries. Remains have been found in balls, suggesting natural that some sites have yielded don't ruin cut marks from butchering, indicating the human full processing are resolved purposes, whether they act we hunted them or scavenger. Beyond direct hunting, humans might have indirectly impact drill population. As human population grew, they likely competed with these giant deer, resources, particularly grazing land, for modifying the environment, clearing forests, and potentially disrupting the delicate balance of the ecosystem that the Irish elk relied upon. It's also conceivable that humans hunted other prey animals, thereby reducing food sources available for the elk. Of course, it's crucial to remember that the Irish elk existed for hundreds of thousands of years.
Long before humans became a dominant force in their environment, climate change during the week undoubtedly played a significant role in shaping their habitat and influencing their survival. Transition to one humans responsible for the Irish Alps extension. It's a complex question with no easy answer. We can't rule out the possibility that a combination of God, according arbitrium, and perhaps even human hunting, pressure contributed to their tamale. While direct evidence has limited, the possibility of human impact on the artwork of population cannot be completely dismissed.
The artichoke, the fruit rions of the Ice Age, continues to fascinate and inspire us. This magnificent creature, with its antlers standing up to 12 feet, roamed the earth during the time of immense environmental change, a testament to the power and the vulnerability of life. We've explored its habitat, its diet, possible reasons for its extinction, and the immense grandeur of its physical form. From the Doctor Who plants to the scientific debate surrounding the mammoth Belk store, you've woven it into the very fabric of the Paleolithic era.
Think about it. This animal lived alongside early humans in the awe and perhaps even fear they must have felt encountering such a behemoth. It's a window into a world so different from our own, yet so connected to the evolutionary history that shapes us today. The article's story is a powerful reminder of her agility of ecosystems and the impact of environmental change on even the most impressive creatures. If you found this exploration into the world of the Irish falcon intriguing, I highly encourage you to delve deeper into the Paleolithic. There are countless other fascinating species to discover, each with its own unique story to tell, from the woolly mammoth to the saber-toothed cat. We hope you learned something new about this amazing animal. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the Irish elk and what other prehistoric creatures you'd like us to cover in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of Paleolithic microphone. Be sure to subscribe for more Cops Meeting stories from the Ice Age. Perhaps the most striking feature of the Irish elk was its enormous, a structure that can weigh up to 90 pounds. And carrying that much weight on your head, these weren't just a fidget spinner.